2024 is over. You might be looking for ways to make back some of the money you spent during the holidays, and if you are, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to go over 5 free sites I'm currently using in 2025 that pay me daily. Stick around until the end, because some of these might be sites you haven't heard of. One of the sites on this list has a really high earning potential. I'll leave a link to all of these sites down below. The first site on the list is a survey site called Ipsos ISEE. I know some of you guys might not like survey sites because a lot of them make you waste your time doing the surveys and then they disqualify you. I've been using Ipsos ISEE for a few months now, and I've only been disqualified from a survey twice, and I still earned a small amount from those surveys. If you haven't used a survey site before, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is sign up, complete your profile, share your opinions by taking surveys, and then get rewarded once you've earned enough points. With Ipsos ISEE, every 100 points is $1. There's a few gift card options you can choose from to redeem. There's iTunes, Starbucks, Visa, Tim Hortons, Indigo, Walmart, Ultimate Dining, Amazon, and my favorite way of getting paid, PayPal. Starting from as low as $5. I've already redeemed the $25 PayPal, and I think it took about a week before I received it in my PayPal account. As you can see, I don't have enough points to redeem it again, but when I do, it will say, redeem now, just like these ones. One tip I have for you guys is to make sure you're honest when answering questions and filling out your profile. This way you will be matched with the right surveys. The second site I use to get paid daily is one of my favorite survey sites, and it's called 5 Surveys. It's one of my favorite survey sites because you get $1 for every survey you complete, no matter how short it is. Once you complete 5 surveys and earn $5, you can cash out instantly. I've cashed out a few times already with PayPal, and I can confirm it's instant. If you complete 5 surveys every day, that's $5 a day, which is an extra $150 a month. Not all surveys are going to be short. There will also be surveys that are 15 or 20 minutes long. I recommend doing the surveys with the highest star ratings and the lowest amount of time first, and then you can move on to the other surveys after. Every time you successfully complete a survey, you will receive a check mark on one of these circles. And when you have 5 check marks, $5 will be added to your current balance. You can also toggle this on so you can see when half surveys are available. Half surveys are short surveys that will pay you 50 cents to complete instead of $1. When you complete a half survey, only half of the circle will be filled in. Once you've earned $5, you can choose from over 64 rewards, including withdrawing your cash via PayPal. The third site I use to get paid daily is ClickWorker. ClickWorker is a micro-tasking site where you can get paid for doing short tasks, and you can do these tasks from anywhere. These tasks include taking surveys, text creation, research, mystery visits, app testing, photo capturing, audio recording, video recordings, and my favorite that I do every day, UHRS tasks, which include training AI. One thing you need to know is before you can get paid to do UHRS tasks, you will need to go through training so you can learn the tasks and then do a little qualification test before you can get paid to work on the tasks when they are available. You won't get paid for the training and qualification, but I recommend just taking like 30 minutes and getting it over with, because once you do, you can do those tasks whenever they become available and get paid. You can earn anywhere from a few cents all the way up to over $20 on this site, depending on what task you're working on. When it comes to withdrawing your money, there's PayPal and Payoneer, but they weren't available for me, and I live in Canada. They might be available to you depending on where you live. For me, I had the option of withdrawing straight to my bank account, using Interac, requesting a paper check, or with Bitcoin. The fourth site I use to get paid daily is Cloud Connect Surveys. This is another survey site, but it's a little different. Why I like this site is because of 2 reasons. One being that I've never gotten disqualified from a survey on this site, and 2 being that most of the surveys are like 2 minutes. The surveys I've gotten have paid me anywhere from 20 cents to $1.25, except for one that really surprised me recently. I was offered a task that paid $10 for around 40 minutes to an hour of work, but I was able to finish it in about 10 minutes. Hopefully, there are a lot more of those tasks moving forward. When it comes to withdrawing your cash, you need a minimum of $5 before you can withdraw using PayPal, a minimum amount of $25 to get it sent straight to your bank account, and there is no minimum amount to cash out with an Amazon gift card, but there is a maximum of $100. But as of making this video, the Amazon gift card option is currently disabled, but it will be reinstated in the future. A tip I have for you guys is to turn on your notifications so you know when surveys are available, and always keep a tab opened. Before we get to the 5th site, which is also the site that has the biggest earning potential. If you guys appreciate me making this video, please give it a like to support the channel and help push it out so others can see it, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I drop future videos with more opportunities to make money online. fine. Okay, and now the fifth site I use to get paid daily is actually multiple different sites that allow me to log in every day and collect daily bonuses that I can then use to turn into real cash. If you have a gambling problem, I advise you to stop watching the rest of this video, and you can get started with the other sites I've listed. The links will be in the description down below. But for those of you that are still here, this is completely free. There are ways you can increase the earnings on these sites, which I will get into in a minute. But first, let me explain how it works. It's pretty simple. There are a lot of sweepstake casino sites out there that will give you daily bonuses for just logging in every day. These bonuses can range from 20 cents to $1 depending on the site. Now I know that sounds really good, to just log in every day and collect free money. But there's more to it. You need to play through your daily bonuses first and reach the minimum withdrawal limit before you can withdraw it. There are a lot of sites that only require you to play through your daily bonus once, and those are the sites I've been using. When converting your daily bonuses to real cash, you might end up with a little less than you started with, or you might end up with more. To make sure I still end up with a decent amount, there are certain games I play, mainly blackjack, and there is a blackjack strategy I follow, which I'll leave a link to down below, along with a list of the sweepstake casino sites I use. If you're from the US, there are a lot of these sites you can sign up to and collect from every day, but some states might not be allowed, so make sure you read the terms and conditions. If you're from Canada like me, we don't have as many sweepstake casinos we can sign up to, but we do get paid in US dollars. I withdrew $117 last week, and when it hit my bank account, it was like $163, so that's a plus. The casinos that are available in Canada, I believe, are mostly available in all provinces, except for Quebec, but you can check their websites to confirm. For those of you that are outside of the US and Canada, I'm not sure if these sweepstake casinos are available to you, but you can check their websites and leave a comment down below letting me know what country you're from so I can keep that in mind for future videos. Now earlier I said this has the biggest earning potential, so let me show you why. You can receive sweeps coins by sending a request by post. In other words, you're going to be mailing a letter to the address of the casino with a postal request code inside of the envelope, and you will receive sweeps coins for every request code you mail. Sweeps coins are the currency you can convert to real cash. As of right now, this specific casino will give you 5 sweeps coins per request code you mail to them. Now there is some key information you need to know. The first and most important thing is to always check the sweeps rules on the website just in case of any updates. And this part isn't free because you're going to need some supplies, so think of it as an investment. As of right now, you're going to need a standard postcard or piece of white paper which must be 4 inches by 6 inches, unfolded, blank, and unlined. A number 10 envelope. I recommend a black ink pen. You're also going to need stamps. I believe in the US they're called forever stamps, and Canada permanent stamps. The stamps are going to be the most expensive. You're also going to need a postal request code, which you can get from clicking here and following the steps. Once you have everything you need, make sure you guys read the sweeps rules and carefully follow these steps. You can normally find the sweeps rules at the bottom of the website. If you're from the United States, this is the address you're going to be using. If you're from Canada, this is the address you're going to be using. This side hustle takes a lot of patience. Depending on the casino you're writing to, it can take 8 to 12 weeks before you get credited the sweeps coins, but that's just for the first drop. If you guys continue to write every week, you can expect to most likely be credited 1 to 2 weeks apart. I have mailed in some postal request codes to Chumba Casino, and when I get credited the sweeps coins, I will make a full video on this, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop that video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. All of the links will be in the description and in the pinned comment. If you use the links, you'll get a sign-up bonus, and you'll be supporting the channel, which is always appreciated. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get this money together in 2025.